What if I tell you that this simple wall art design made over $20,000 in monthly revenue on Etsy? Nursery wall art is currently a high demand product, and now is the best time to start selling this. In this video, I'll break down how you can create your own best-selling wall art, enhance it up to a quality 16K resolution, and choose the perfect frame size to boost your product sales. And don't miss the big news. Etsy just introduced a new policy on AI art, and it's going to change the way you sell. In the past few months, rumors has been going around that Etsy might ban shops selling only AI-generated art, which has left many sellers worried. But about a month ago, Etsy cleared things up by updating their policy. They announced that the selling of AI art is still allowed, but as long as the seller mentioned in their description that the art is AI-made. However, products like these may still face challenges as Etsy has decided to ban the sale of AI prompts. So with this exciting news from Etsy, we can confidently sell AI art without worrying about being banned. However, with millions of products already on Etsy, it's essential to focus on a product that can generate significant revenue if we start selling today. Doing my research, I came across a wall art design focused on nursery theme. What really caught my attention about this design was when I searched for the keyword using Alura keyword research tool, and I was amazed by the revenue this product generated for several Etsy shops. For instance, one shop exclusively selling nursery wall art made $25,000 in monthly revenue and generated a total revenue of over $2 million. Another shop replicating similar design achieved the same impressive earnings. However, since the search term nursery wall art is highly competitive, we will shift our focus to cute baby animal wall art. This sub-niche not only has a lower competition, but also show a strong track record of generating substantial revenue. To create a top-selling design using AI, we use a free mid-journey alternative called Ideogram AI, known for its impressive text generation capability. And after creating a free account, you receive 10 free trials daily. Now to generate a design, I go to the prompt section and type in something like, imagine a nursery wall art of a baby lion, then adjust the aspect ratio to 2:3. After waiting for 15 seconds, you get 4 different variations to choose from. But to create a more detailed prompt that could generate better results and attract customers, we look at this top performing store in this category for inspiration on how they present their designs. For example, this store design is presented on a white background and is described as having watercolor style. I also examine other best-selling designs to get a sense of artistic style they use. After experimenting with different prompts, I found 2 formats that delivered 2 impressive results. The first prompt was, in a white background, imagine a whimsical nursery art style of a baby lion reading a book in a watercolor art style. And these are the 4 results I got. I also noticed that when I activated the magic prompt features on Ideogram AI, it used my initial prompt as inspiration to generate a more detailed version prompt. This resulted in greater variations and more impressive outcome compared to my previous attempts. And this was the second prompt that resulted in better results using the prompt format I provided. But that's not all, because I crafted 100 prompts that will generate you this top-selling nursery wall art. The link to this will be available in the description, and special thanks to my Patreon supporters for making this possible. But unfortunately, this AI platform generates low-resolution images, and since we are creating wall art designs, we need an image resolution that is up to 8K to prevent pixelation when printed. To solve this, I found a platform called letsenhance.io which allows you to upscale images up to 16K. Now, after upscaling your images, you want to offer them in all these various sizes to give customers variation to choose from. But you don't need to create a separate file for every size. Instead, focus on the largest size in each ratio, allowing customers to easily scale it down to their preferred dimensions. And you can do this in Canva by creating a custom size and inputting one of these sizes. Import your design, scale it to fit the frame, and then exporting it as PNG or JPEG. Before uploading your design to Etsy, you notice that Etsy only allows up to 5 files with a maximum size of 20 megabytes, but your file has exceeded that limit. The solution is to upload your design to a cloud storage service like Google Drive. Then create a PDF with a clickable download button that will link to that file. I have a link to a video that will help you set this up in the description. Also, be sure to use high quality mockups as it's the first thing buyers sees, and you can easily find plenty of mockups on Canva by searching in the elements section, then scaling your design to fit perfectly. Finally, there are 3 key strategies to help your product gain visibility on Etsy faster. First, study how your competitors are using top searching keywords to name their products and use this as inspiration to create your own product title. Second, craft a strong product description, but to save time, you can copy your competitor description and ask ChatGPT to rephrase it for you. Then adjust certain words to better match your product. Lastly, use the same tag as your competitors. To do this, go to Alura Shop Analyzer, input the name of the shop selling this similar product, find and select the product among these listings, then you see the tag used in that product. I hope this video has convinced you of why selling wall art on Etsy can be profitable. Remember, consistency is the key to success on Etsy. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.